Hello friends, I am DA and welcome to Divya Agrawal Tech. Today I am going to show you all how to build Pareto chart in Tableau. So let's see how a Pareto chart look like. This is how a Pareto chart look like. Pareto chart is named after Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto. A Pareto chart is a type of chart that contains both bars and a line graph, where individual values are represented in descending order by bars and the cumulative total is represented by the line. The purpose of this chart is to highlight the most important among a set of factors. The Pareto principle, also known as 80-20 rule, suggests that 20% of the activities will account for 80% of your results. Like 80% of the family problems are caused by 20% of the issues. So let's jump into Tableau and build the Pareto chart. For that I have taken sample superstore dataset and drag orders table. So for building Pareto chart I will take subcategory to column, then I will take sales to rows, and then I will duplicate it. So you can see these charts, both charts are in the form of bar chart. First of all, we will sort the subcategory according to the field, according to the sales in the descending order. Then I will take it as dual axis. It's all are looking in the circles, so I will change the marks card as one as bar and the other as line, but I need to change the color of the line as orange. Then I will add the table calculation and it will be of running total, sum, and it will be computed using table across. Then I will add secondary calculation and that will be of percentage of the total and the table across. Then I will close this and Pareto chart is ready. I will rename the sheet as Pareto chart. So Pareto chart is ready. Thank you guys. Thank you for your patience listening. See you in the next video. Thank you. In order to make sure you don't miss my future videos, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified, and lastly, please share this video with others. It's a great way to support my channel and the work I do.